Hey guys, welcome back to week 4 of our holiday home challenge, where we are decluttering, cleaning, and organizing our way to a beautiful home just in time for the holidays. This week, we're still in the kitchen, but we're rolling up our sleeves and deep cleaning. Look it. Take a gander, friends. How horrid that is. How am I going to motivate you guys to do this when I don't want to do this myself? This is my challenge. I don't want to deep clean my kitchen, which is why I've put it off for so long. But I know that now is the time to do it because my mother-in-law is going to come for the holidays at some point and go in my fridge. She's probably going to bake cookies and see my oven. And this is something we have to do as homeowners, as adults. It's time to put on our big girl pants and clean the kitchen. So the cleaning concoction that I use when cleaning my kitchen is vinegar and hot water, some dish soap, and some essential oils, because you don't want to be using harsh chemicals inside the fridge, inside the freezer, even the stove. I mean, you're eating this stuff, right? So you want it to be really chemical free. So I use this for in the microwave, just everywhere. Some hot water, some essential oils, vinegar, and dish soap. So just like cleaning any space, you want to start at the top and work your way down. So above the stove, this is where you need to start. I'm just looking, it's oil and all your cooking, like your steam and everything. It's gross up here. Once you're done wiping the fronts of all the cabinets, I want you to put a bowl of water in the microwave for 4 or 5 minutes to steam the microwave. And while it's cleaning the microwave, I'm going to spend those 4 minutes cleaning the oven. Ooh, it is a little dirty in here. Look at the splatter. This is a 6-minute job. I do have a self-cleaning oven, but I don't know. Does it work? It just never, I don't know. It never gets super clean. So vinegar and dish soap is my friend. If it's really bad, I'll use baking soda, but this isn't too bad actually. It's just wiping it like butter. Like butter. Don't touch this bowl, you'll burn your... And then I just pour some of the boiling water on the tray. Come on, this is speed cleaning, friends. No scrubbing. Cleaner than a whistle. All right, now comes such a fun time. Now we're gonna pull out the appliances. Pull out the oven especially to get to the goo behind. So bad. This is where stink in your kitchen usually comes from. The garbage can, under the fridge, the sides of the fridge, and the side of the oven, where like slop, you know, where you spill and it overflows and it goes down the side. But this isn't so bad. I'm gonna guess because Joe has cleaned this recently. Almost done deep cleaning the kitchen. Now we're gonna pull out the fridge. Before we pull it out and clean behind the fridge and vacuum the coils, I'm just gonna pull this bottom part off of your fridge. If you've never done this, you gotta do this. There is some horrors under here. This gets actually cleaned quite often and still. So what this is gonna do is just kill your fridge faster because there's vents, right? There's vents in the front here that vent. Look it. Take a gander, friends. How horrid that is. So just like you wanna clean your filter of your furnace, you wanna make sure that you're cleaning the front of your fridge and the back coils of your fridge so that it's running properly and it doesn't stink, because no one wants a stinky fridge. So now we're gonna pull out the fridge and see the grime underneath. Oh my God, this was easier when I weighed more. There we go. So if you have a fridge that has coils behind, make sure that you're vacuuming. We don't have exposed coils back here. I am gonna vacuum what I can. Make sure you're wiping the sides of your fridge and underneath. This is a workout. I'm gonna have like buff arms. I'm gonna like Popeye. Honestly, I thought this goo was on there forever, and yet, who's excited? Maybe I. Oh. I peed.
Adventure. It's an adventure.
Honestly, I didn't feel it through my apron. I'm also cleaning the floor and the kick plate at the same time. It's multitasking. Now we're gonna clean the inside of the dishwasher. You can buy dishwashing cleaning tablets that you can throw in, but I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe in all the areas that seem to attract the goo. I actually do this all the time, but you wanna make sure that you're cleaning the sides of the door for a couple of reasons. First, it's disgusting. Second of all, it stinks. But third, if this attracts too much stuff, you won't have a proper seal on your dishwasher and you're actually gonna get leaks. And it just makes your dishwasher not run as efficiently. The other spot where the goo really attracts is the base of the door. So I want you to run a paper towel up under the base of the door. Yummy. Rotten, moldy food. And this is a relatively new dishwasher, and I do this quite often. You're gonna be shocked. Go again with a dry paper towel at the base of your door and just run your paper towel along here. When people have dishwashers that leak, quite often it's because of this sludge that builds up in the base of your door that makes your seal not work. While we're at it, I'm just gonna pull out the filter and give it a quick soak. Put your filter back in and run your dishwasher on empty with just some vinegar. Next, we're gonna clean the coffee pot. If you have a regular coffee pot, you're just gonna put vinegar and water through and brew like you would a regular. Don't put the coffee in, just the vinegar and water. But if you have a Keurig like me, it's really easy to take everything apart and just put it in the dishwasher. You wanna just push your finger up through the bottom and pop out the part that holds the coffee, and the bottom trays come off. And I actually just run this through as well. You just put a glass underneath and pour some hot vinegar water inside. Ooh, nice. And then wipe everything out really gently. You can see the chunks. I'm just gonna quickly do a quick wipe down inside the fridge. This fridge is a hot mess. It's not about organization, it's about giving everything a good scrub. Under 2 hours, I did so many things, all of the things on the list. Honestly, I thought this was going to be an all-day thing. I always do this. I anticipate that things are gonna take so much longer than they actually do. I washed the walls, the grease on the walls, the cabinets, inside the stove, the oven, the fridge, pulled out the appliances, tackled the dishwasher, all in under 2 hours. I'm hoping you're feeling really inspired to roll up your sleeves and tackle your kitchen today too. Don't forget, if you haven't already, to download your holiday home challenge. I'm gonna put it down below, and take some pictures of the goo you find. Use the hashtag holidayhome or holidayhomechallenge so I can see. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I have had the worst day. It's been calamity hour. Honestly, since the time I got up, I was filming another video and I'm just this and disaster. I had to climb up a ladder. And then while I'm cleaning the kitchen, there was a tumbling of things and a bottle of essential oil went down the garbage disposal. And Joe's like, stop, I'll get it. And I panicked. I was like, no, you'll chop your... I have a fear of our garbage disposal. Every time I turn it on, it's like I'm imagining my hand going down there. It's gruesome and it's horrible. It makes my stomach turn. I don't like the garbage disposal. So anyways, a bottle of oil went down there and I was like, no, I'll save you. And I turned it on. I turned it on. On to not chop off his hand by chopping off his hand. His hand wasn't in there, but I don't know what I was thinking. So I chopped up this bottle of essential oil. Now there's shards of glass in the garbage disposal. Why? And then I was cleaning the fridge and I was cleaning the light bulb and it was like sizzling. I'm like, wow, that's hot. So I just kept cleaning it and it exploded inside the fridge. Because what? What? So anyways, you ever have one of those days where your brain just is not firing all the cylinders? That is my day today. I'm just like, I need to go to bed. I need a nap. Or I've got early signs of dementia, whatever. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.